YouTube, I am Lauren. And today I am going to spread some wisdom on y'all and tell you how you're gonna finesse the fashion industry basically. I am going to tell y'all how to get real, authentic designer items for a pretty cheap price. Not super cheap, like all like $20 and under cheap, like pretty cheap for what they are compared to their original pricing. And along with that, I'm also going to be doing an unboxing of one of my things that's pretty cheap for what it actually is probably retailed at. So yeah, let's get on to the video. My first tip is to consign and thrift shop. Whoa. Didn't see that coming. Just kidding. You all knew about thrifting and consignment shopping. It is all over YouTube. Thrifting and consignment shopping is so great for the really low prices. Like the good ass deals. Yes. More stress on the consignment because I'm kind of impatient. Just the fact that there's a higher probability with consignment shopping and less probability with thrift shopping. Unless like you want vintage shoes, I find if you go to the good thrift shops, you can find a lot of vintage shoes. But bags and clothing, leave that to consignment shopping really. You have a higher probability of finding stuff, and like some consignment shops value like some pieces of clothing for under $100, which is good for you. I love consignment shopping. And my biggest tip to elevate your thrift and consignment shopping game, because you can go to any consignment shop, you can go to any thrift shop, and like you just might not find that great of stuff. Even for consignment shops, they might not have the best things. How to elevate that is to go to rich areas. Crazy. I've been watching some of these videos because I don't want to grace y'all with knowledge that you might already know that everybody's been talking about, but I've watched these videos and I'm so surprised that no one has ever told anyone, well at least I haven't surfed YouTube that much, but no one has ever told anyone to go to rich areas. I don't know if it's common knowledge, but when I tell people, when people are like, Lauren, how do you do this? How do you have all of this? How do you get Versace? Oh yeah, I got Versace jeans. How do you get Versace jeans for $60? You heard me right, $60. I'm not lying. This is authentic Versace for $60. How I do that, how I'm able to find stuff like this, is going to rich areas. Rich areas are a gold mine. You definitely have a higher probability of finding stuff. Going to a consignment shop, you're adding like 20% probability. Going to a rich area, that's like adding a 50% probability to that probability. I'm saying probability so much. But yeah, you are able to find so many good things at thrift and consignment shops in rich areas. Yes, you can find like a cool vintage piece anywhere, but if you're really on the lookout for designer brands, I highly recommend taking time and effort to search up a thrift store in a rich area you know. For all you DMV people, definitely DC, obviously, definitely Northern Virginia, anywhere close to DC, so like Reston, Arlington, for Maryland people, Bethesda, close to places you know where rich people live, those big houses you see when you drive by. That is the place to go. And you know, one man's trash and another man's treasure. My top stores that I go to, I mostly go to consignments. Thrifting, I just experiment. Thrifting, it's really a gamble anywhere you go really. You do have a higher probability of finding stuff in a rich area. So my go-to shops, my top one, Secondie, and my second one, Reddz. And Reddz is where I got this. I have to say, Reddz has better pricing for clothing, but they don't have the best selection and option as great as Secondie. Secondie has an amazing selection. They always have a lot of designer stuff there. They have probably like every designer you can think of. They might not have it all at once. They cycle through. A lot of people give their stuff there. The thing about Secondie though is it is a bit more expensive, but they do have this cool markdown policy. If the piece has been there for a while, they'll mark it down, and they have it on their tags where it shows the date that things will get marked down. So if you find something there, it's still a bit too pricey, you can gamble your luck and see if you can get it for a bit more of a discount, which is really great. While I'm talking about this tip, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. One of my tips that I don't use all the time, but my mom loves to, is to do online shopping. Like, everyone knows online shopping. Some box. I'm gonna unbox it a bit. Ooh. Ooh. I got these shoes for about $300. It was $297. I had to pay shipping. I got Chanel shoes. And yes, $300 is not the biggest deal, but for Chanel shoes, I was looking up the prices and they can range from like $900 to $1,200. This isn't one of my biggest steals, but I'm still happy with it. Okay, they're wrapped in these tissue paper. Oh, there's a card. Thank you, Kelsia. This is Kelsia's little thank you. Found her on Etsy after like scrolling a lot. I don't know if you can see that. This is her little business card. Yeah, but like Etsy, I bet a lot of people don't realize, like, you can find some stuff on Etsy. Like, they got some stuff there. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. I love these. I love this. I have not seen these yet. I got this last Thursday and I've been waiting to film a YouTube video. My first ever YouTube video. Fun. She's gorgeous. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, there's a bit of scuffing on it, but you know, it's vintage. And this is actually pretty good condition for like a vintage shoe. I don't know how to show you this. There's my shoe. Okay, I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna show you. Look how beautiful. Okay, this is kind of ugly. There's the shoe. Look at her. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes, queen. Sorry you had to see that. I was just really into that shoe. So yeah, this is close. So I don't do online shopping that much because, one, I don't own a credit card. My mom loves to online shop though. I just went into her closet to get some of my stuff and I saw a new pair of Dior shoes. Don't know how much she paid for it, but probably got a deal for it. A saying my mom says is never pay full price for anything. As long as you got a coupon, resale, discount. Yes. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love these. I'm gonna wear these a lot. These are cute. New babies. I'm putting this on my desk. That's kind of disgusting. To go more in depth into online shopping and online resellers, just browse around. A lot of great places. Everyone knows eBay. eBay can be a bit sketch though, so be careful with eBay. Take time to check and make sure as much as you can to see if it's really authentic or not. And also, if you want more security with things like that, Tradsey, the real. There's so many authentic like resellers, which is great because that's more options for you. Don't be afraid to look at like any selling website. Etsy, never would I think that they would, but they do. Because like people who have stores, like consignment stores, also consign on Etsy. Check social media. Social media has some places. I know I follow some like places in like Tokyo and like Japan, and they have free shipping. So like they sell some stuff there. I haven't bought anything from there yet. Like I said, I don't have a credit or debit card, so I don't buy online as much. I like to get stuff in person. I also like the pros that come with buying in person, so you can actually see it, you actually know what it's like, you actually can touch it and all that stuff. See, make sure it's right. I've got to be honest, I can find a lot of cheap designer things. Like some people sell them for like $100, $200. After I bought these, I was looking on eBay and someone was selling YSL heels, the new ones. It was like, what do you call those? It was an auction and someone got them for under $200, like $187, which is crazy. The power of the internet. You can find some hella cute things there. So yeah, that is the video. Hope this helped you guys and inspires you to go out there, and if you're a person who is into those high-end luxury designers. I hope this gives you hope that you can find something that you like for a price that will not kill your wallet. If I can do it, you can do it, I swear. Hope you have fun with it. Don't stress. Patience is a virtue, and you won't always find something. I'm sorry to say that, but as long as you just keep hope and keep looking, you're bound to find something amazing. If you like this video, like it. Subscribe for more content like this. Hit up my Insta, follow my Insta. See you in the next video. Hope you had fun. Bye.